Welcome.
And your assistant, no doubt. Hello, you have a good day.
Hello.
Hi there.
Okay, you're most welcome.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to it. All right.
You're most welcome to Mahogany Springs.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
Hello.
you are most welcome at Mahogany Springs.
Ah, thank you.
I'm Fred.
Fred, nice to meet you, Fred. I want to show you this new cabin, what my view is. And I tell you, it's like a little piece of heaven. Watching the wildlife and birds, and it's like sitting on your porch and friends drop by. So here is my room. It's just glorious. And here are the exterior doors. And this is number 5 guest house. And how's that for my own bathroom? And look at this luxurious bed. A chocolate on each of the pillows. I think I've earned them, don't you? So this is the lodge. 100 feet out from the national Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. And this is the deck off of the lodge. I'm going to spoil myself with an hour's massage. This is the breakfast room. And I'm just sitting waiting for Imelda and Charles, the exclusive gorilla safari people, to join me for breakfast. Isn't it beautiful? The room was glorious. This is the dream team, people. This has been one of the most marvelous breaks I've ever taken, especially break that you're working through. If you can get a space at Mahogany Springs Lodge, this should be your first choice. It actually is. It's perfectly placed. The location is amazing. The amenities are amazing, and so is the staff to support you through whatever your challenge is going to be. So this is Imelda, Charles, and David, my lifesavers.